Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love. And your pal is back with another review day. So today I'm gonna review a lip and cheek tint by Face Shop. So if you haven't heard about the brand Face Shop, it is a Korean brand and it's very popular. And also it has some amazing variety of their cosmetics, makeup, skincare. So Face Shop is available on Purple, Nykaa, and in fact they have their own website. So before getting into the detailed review, let me tell you I'm a die-hard fan of like lipsticks, lip balm, lip tint as well. So I was like searching down कि कौन सा lip tint ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. Like I have used Etude House lip tint. They are amazing. I have used Earth Rhythm lip tint. They are awesome, but I wanted to try more of lip tints, so I'm gonna review them as well. But for now, I'm gonna review the Face Shop lip tint for you. So due to this pandemic situation, all our lipstick are piled up, right? So these lip tints are the great alternatives. Like आपको ज़्यादा over top दिल नहीं लगेगा, but it will give you that little pop out on your lips and also will glam out. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है lip tint. If you haven't tried, do try out lip tints. So I have purchased this Face Shop lip tint from purple.com. First, let's talk about the packaging. So it comes under the glass bottle and also it has this like this applicator. Like this small applicator and the texture is watery in texture. Generally lip tints जो होता है वो watery form में होता है, उतना heavy नहीं होता है on your lips. So this is not my first impression. I have already used much. You can see it. And this is a 5 gram of product and my variant is Cherry Kiss. You will also get few other variants like 6-7 variants है इसका. Like this is the darkest one among all. मैंने डार्क चूज किया है क्योंकि आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज फ्यू टिंट्स जो कि मतलब बहुत लाइटर लगता है लिप्स में. लाइक आई हैव लाइक थोड़ा सा मैं यदि लाइट पिंक लेती हूँ तो वो बहुत ही लाइट लगता है. सो आई हैव प्रेफर्ड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस डार्कर वन. सो ऑन द लिप्स इट विल नॉट लुक वेरी रेड बट इट विल लुक लाइक a hint of like dark pink and like red mix. So the price of this product is 449 rupees for a 5 gram of product, which is absolutely perfect. So before getting into the review, let me tell you a little about lip tints. Lip tints are generally थोड़ा watery texture में होता है. So don't think lip tints are the alternative of lip balm. So you can say that they are the alternative of lipstick but not lip balm. So make sure that you moisturize your lip well before applying lip tints. So on the other half, I will show you the application and also I am gonna share you my experience, like did I like it or not. So as I've already mentioned that कि इसका जो texture है it's very watery. So when you apply on your lips like a water, it will flow out on your lips. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि you will smoothly apply this lipstick. So इससे क्या होता है ना, you can't get that shape on your lips, but you have to little struggle it out because just ये watery texture है ना, so it will like somewhere on your over here ये थोड़ा सा crease करेगा या फिर somewhere over here ये थोड़ा केकी हो सकता है. बट यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट वेरी लाइक और अच्छे से आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो बहुत पैच ऑफ ब्लॉट ऑफ कलर्स लगेगा. सो आई विल शो यू द टेक्सचर ऑन द हैंड. यू कैन सी द कंसिस्टेंसी एंड so the fragrance of this lip tint is somewhat like some chewing gum या bubble gum के तरह है. And it's, you can see it like, see it's very watery in texture and you can see that यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ब्लॉच ऑफ कलर्स लग रहा है. सो व्हेन यू अप्लाई ऑन योर लिप्स की समवट यहाँ ज्यादा कलर लगेगा या फिर सम यहाँ पर हल्का सा कलर लगेगा. सो यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ ब्लॉट ऑफ कलर ओवर हियर. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट प्रॉपर्ली विद योर फिंगर्स. आपको अपने फिंगर्स से उसको यू हैव टू डैब इट like properly. This you can use as your cheek tint as well, but I will not prefer, like this is a very darker color. You see when you apply it on your cheeks na, so you have to be very careful. With a light hand, what you have to do is that you have to dab it like, नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा color लगेगा. And make sure that you don't apply much on your cheek, नहीं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा like ब्लॉटीनेस लगेगा या फिर बहुत पैची लगेगा. ऑन दिस वीडियो आई विल ऑल्सो बी शोइंग यू द वेयर एंड टेयर टेस्ट. लाइक पूरा दिन वो स्टिक करता है कि नहीं फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग टू लाइक इवनिंग और द नाइट एज वेल. लाइक आपके लिप्स पे वो कैसे लगता है. तो दिस इज अ लिप टिंट जिसमें ज्यादा मॉइस्चर नहीं है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू अप्लाई अ कोट ऑफ लाइक लिप बाम एंड देन यू रब इट ऑन योर लिप्स. So now let's get into the final verdict. Like, will I recommend this product to you or not? So keeping the price point on the mind, so it's somewhat rupees 500 or 550 rupees. So if you are getting on the discount, you might get on 450 or 420 में you can get this product, but you have to be lucky because lip tints वगैरह में ज़्यादा discounts नहीं होता है. But if you are getting on 400 rupees, then this lip tint is a very good deal. But if you are like onto a search of a good lip tint, so this is not the one which you need. Like if you're trying the first one, if this is gonna be your only lip tint, then I won't be recommending this product to you because I don't feel the texture is the best one. एंड ऑल्सो जो इसका जो प्रोडक्ट है ये थोड़ा सा पैची लगता है मुझे और थोड़ा सा ड्राई आउट कर जाता है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर लिप. लाइक इफ योर लिप इज ड्राइंग तो ये आपके लिप को ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट करेगा. इफ योर लिप इज लिटिल मॉइस्चर, लाइक आपके लिप में हमेशा ही मॉइस्चर रहता है एंड इट्स डज नॉट ड्राई आउट मच क्विकली, सो देन दिस लिप टिंट इज अ गुड डील. So now it's depend upon you कि आपके lips कैसा है. Also keeping the price point on the mind, there's lot more other options. There are Indian brands who are coming up with good like organic lip tints, so you can try out them as well. And if you want to try some Korean brand, there's some other brand as well, like Etude House has a good lip tints. You can try them out. I will also give you a full review on that product as well. But on my verdict, I won't be highly recommending this product to you. So on my report card, keeping all the things on the mind, I am giving this product 3.2. So now it depends upon you to judge like to buy this product or not. I have given all the information which are needed and I've tried to clear it out as well. So some products might work for me well and might not for you. So in that scenario, I can give you my like honest review and my honest like take on the product. So I hope this review helps you on before purchasing the product. So if you love my video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post videos. So until next time, take care, miss you.
I know it's a game.